Sergeant Seaward and Sergeant Wood. Just hope you're all having a great day. Obviously for us this is a special moment, the last chance we'll get to do this air show and possibly the last chance you'll get to see it. So hope you enjoy it and thanks for all your support over the years.
And that was Flight Lieutenant Rob Jones, the man sitting in the right-hand seat of that helicopter, the co-pilot, sorry, the left-hand seat, looking at Bradman. He's sitting in the left-hand seat, and as he was saying, you are looking at something final. This will almost certainly be the last time you'll see a display from one of these aircraft. Rob Jones was speaking to us and telling us that sea flight of 22 Squadron at Bali will stop its official work at the end of this month. So now they're coming down to deploy somebody, their witchman, who's going to act as a survivor. They're going to then disappear around the corner and come back and pick him up. So if you're on the front line, you'll see all that going down. Man on the end of the wire is Sergeant Pete Wood, I'm reliably informed. They've almost dropped him off now, I can't see, he's got behind that tent. And as well as Rob Jones, the aircraft, and on the right-hand seat is Sergeant Jarvis. Also another member of the crew, that's Sergeant Jarvis Stewart. If we heard Rob Jones mentioning him. Facing towards us. See the winch line go up to 240 feet at that winch. They say that they regularly use a lot of that thing, especially when they're rescuing people in the mountains. When you being winched into an aircraft or a bit of wire, sometimes with thousands of feet below you, it makes a lot of these jobs quite exciting, especially for the person who's on the end of that wire. See Pete Wood directing operations as he's hauled up with their survivor. They've got the survivor onto the sill of the door there. He's hoisted them on board. You notice that the aircraft, as they were hoisting him in, came slowly down so that they stayed fairly close to the ground. There's still somebody waving there, that's probably Martin Stewart. So I think this is a very special occasion when we're able to say goodbye to the sea flight of 22 Squadron. I'm sure Bristolers will do a very good job. They've been at the search and rescue game for a long time. They do know what they're doing and they will have much more modern equipment. That was one of the factors behind the decision to replace them, because these are very old, these aircraft, as we've already heard, and it's going to be very expensive to replace them. So 22 Squadron has various flights spread around the country. They date all the way back to 1915, so Squadron is 100 years old. Well, it's sad that it's all coming to an end. in its centenary patch very well indeed. They get to know all the little angles, and they get to know the people, the emergency services, and the people they pick up. So, it really is the end of an era. Sound as the helicopter pulls away of two Rolls-Royce Gnome engines, about 1660 shaft horsepower each. It's important for these kind of aircraft that you have twin engines, so the aircraft can fly quite satisfactorily on only one of the two. Right up to the end of the month, there'll be a crew on standby 24 hours a day, every day of the year. Actually, this is the second standby aircraft. They can be able within 15 minutes of receiving a scramble call between 8 in the morning and 10 at night. Outside those times, it's a maximum of 45 minutes. Let's wish them all the very best for their slightly uncertain future. I'd personally like to say how immensely proud I am of what 22 has done, and indeed of what their colleagues on 202 have also done.